In today's video, I'll show you how to export and import Outlook account settings using the classic desktop version of Outlook on Windows. This process lets you back up your mail, contacts, calendar, tasks, and folders into one PST file that you can bring to another computer or profile. Note that passwords and server details are not included, you'll set those up separately. Start by opening Outlook and going to the File tab. Select Open Export, then choose Import Export to open the wizard. Pick Export to a file and click Next. Choose Outlook Data File, .pst, then Continue. Now select the account or folders you want to back up. To export everything, select the top-level mailbox and check Include subfolders so emails, calendar items, contacts, tasks, sent items, and custom folders are all included. Click Next and choose where to save your PST file. Using documents, an external drive, or cloud storage is a good idea. Give the file a clear name, like Outlook Backup with the current date. Leave duplicate options at their default unless you have a specific need. When ready, click Finish. Outlook may ask if you want to add a password to protect the PST. This is optional, but if you choose one, store it safely. Depending on mailbox size, the export may take several minutes. Let the process finish completely. Once the export is done, your PST file contains your entire Outlook data set. Keep it in a secure place because this file is what you'll use later when importing your information to a new Outlook setup. With this backup ready, you can move your Outlook content confidently whenever needed.